Oh, Donna, oh, Donna, oh, I had a girl, Donna. Donna's big up on a nice clean self. Welcome back to another video. Art of love. Mwah. Anyway, guys, today's video is 10 things that I love about Jamaica. And believe me, I am going to do 10 things that I don't like about Jamaica. Yes, I am from Jamaica, and I'm the kind of person who express and speak from my heart. Um, so this is 10 things. This video is 10 things that I love about Jamaica. Number one, what should I do first? Should I do the one that I love the most last? Yes, so I'm gonna leave the one that I love the most last. Number one, I love how Jamaican people, I mean, in every country you have good and bad people. So let's talk about the good. I love when Jamaican people come together as number one. Is this really about Jamaica and Jamaicans? Okay, I'm doing both. It's about Jamaica, Jamaicans. Okay? So number one is when Jamaican come together and like have a gathering, an event. I just love how the effort that they put into it. I mean, other culture do it, but it's like I'm a Jamaican, so I'm gonna talk about Jamaican stuff. So when we have like an event, or we go all out with the food and etc., or we go all out to make people happy, or we get excited over these gathering. It's like we're excited, like Christmas coming, and we're gonna have families, and we're gonna have family come over and stuff like that. I love that. I love that. That's number one. My first one, yes, I just love the gathering, like when we just have a vibe. I love that about our culture. That vibe, it just hit, man. So I love that. So that's number one. Number two, um, the river, the beaches. When you go there, like you go to the river, oh gosh, like in Jamaica, when you go to the river and the beaches, oh, you feel so good. I love that about Jamaica. Love it. And I'm not saying that it's not everywhere. Yeah, I'm just saying Jamaica, right? Um, Number two, I love the music, the reggae, some of the dancehall them. Yes, I love the music about Jamaica because when you go to these events, as I was saying in number one, and you hear these music, you're on fire. Like every culture do have them thing, but when it come on to Jamaica, I don't know, we take it to another level. The dancing of the event, it come back to the event, So yeah, yeah, man. The music, the music on fire. I love when the music them nice. The music them, yeah. When you go at the event, them you create this event and you have this music at the event, it just yeah. So that's number three for me. Number four, um, number four, our culture put together, you know, um the culture of how Jamaicans are, um, how we carry culture everywhere with we. Well, I love that. I mean, Yes, you're not gonna always do everything that the culture says, because sometimes what the culture represent is that we don't do certain things, or they don't want you to do certain things. But at the end of the day, these things sometimes that they don't want you to do, it involves other people that do the opposite. And you can't, like, treat them as if they're nobody. You get what I mean? You see where I'm going with this? So that part of it I don't like. But when you carry the culture with you, the dance, the music, the this, the that, when you carry this everywhere, you're out of Jamaica and you're everywhere with the culture, with the things that you're a Jamaican. People walk around with their flags, and I love that. Like, they don't, they're making it aware that I am a Jamaican and I am proud to be a Jamaican. Yeah. So I love that. Where am I? Number five. What is number five? The fruits. The fruits in Jamaica. Yes. Oh, from the apple to the plum to the mango to the oranges to everything. It's just everything that is in Jamaica is just organic to me. Like, when you plant the things in Jamaica and you reap the fruits of your labor in Jamaica, I love that. I love that in Jamaica, because I grew up in the countryside in Clarendon, and we used to, like, steam cucumber. My grandfather used to plant these things. We steam it with a little saltfish. We steam it with callaloo. We steam the cabbage with saltfish. I mean, saltfish and callaloo, cabbage and saltfish. Like, we never need a lot to survive as food, because he plant yam, he have oranges, grapefruit, plum, mango season coming season after season, seasonal. Yeah, every culture have this, but I just love my culture with all these things. Yeah. Number six. Well, I'm talking about when I was growing up. People don't walk past you and don't say good morning or good night. The respect, the respect. I love that growing up, because coming here to America and watching people step past you, and then you start to, like, you're adapting these things. Like, who am I? Like, I'm adapting this because I have said good morning to people and they don't answer. And that's just not the norm of how we was raised to say, was raised to say good morning. When we see people, we walk past people, we were raised. So that is a part of our culture. And I embrace that. So I love that about um our culture. Number number seven. Are we at number seven right now? Yes, I believe so. When it comes on to the schools in Jamaica, I love to see how parents and children take pride in getting their kids ready for school in those uniforms, and they look so neat and prep going to school, like that pride about the culture. I love that. There's so much things about Jamaican culture, but I'm just naming 10 right now because there's so much. But I might do another video another time about the culture. Um, so that's number seven. Number eight, our language, our patois. Yes, Jamaican patois. When it comes on to me being in America and talking about Jamaican patois and talking to other people and they don't understand, sometimes when I talk to, like, you know, our people, like, not Jamaicans, but black people in the communities, like, they're from different countries, and I speak. Sometimes I forget I am talking patois. Sometimes I smile because they don't understand. And there are other cultures sometimes that they talk and I don't understand. So it's okay if they don't understand and I have to repeat it in English. So I'm start to embrace I start embracing it so well because I know how to speak English, and sometimes the patois just chip right out and I'm like, what was that you just said? It's like it's so exciting to hear. When it's not, it's like when a white person like, what was that? But like different culture and they realize that you're Jamaican because you're speaking patois. It's really fun, like when you're in other countries and you speak patois and they don't really understand, but they're like laughing about it and they find it so, fun. I thought I have my mic on here. I should just leave it right here. Yes, and they thought it was so much fun. So that is um that is a plus for me. I love that. So that's what 8. Number 9, I have so much. Like, yeah. The love. Like when we truly love each other, we do love each other. Yes. When Jamaica knock it together and they truly love each other, they love each other. Like I have a friendship. I have friends for over 20 something years. And I have friend like Gracie that we have never cussed, like have a blown out. We have maybe like a disagreement once or twice for over 20 years, but it's not like a disagreement where we malice each other. No, we talk about the same time, but we just have a little disagreement. But we are never blown out or argue and vex and don't talk with each other and stuff. No, we never had that. And I also have friends in Jamaica that we are friends for so many years, but we do have disagreement. Yeah, I have friends in Jamaica that we do fall out and we have disagreement, but we still can reach out to each other and have that communication with each other, you know? And yeah, I love that. I love the bond that we can have with each other. Yes. And number 10 is Jamaican meals, the cooked food, like the curry goat, the oxtail, the ackee and saltfish, um, the rice and peas, the gungo soup, the come tell me, the salt mackerel and dumpling, and the saltfish cook up with onion and tomato with soft yam and banana and white dumpling. Those kind of things. Oh, the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, all of them things that we may talk about. Yes, we're not gonna need to know Jamaica real good, so we can have a blast enjoying all of them something here with me and talk about. Yes, so that is number 10 for me, and yeah, I'm gonna do a video with 10 things that I don't like, but these are 10s on top of my head. I didn't write anything down. I just decided to do 10 videos, 10 things that I love about Jamaica just off the bat without like thinking too hard. I mean, I love almost a lot. I just love Jamaica. Yeah, because not because I'm a Jamaican, but real for fact, I love Jamaica. But I am going to talk about 10 things that I don't like either. And I am sure that is not um some people might come after me, but it's just my truth. It's just my truth. So yeah, I'm going to speak my truth. This is my piece right here on this channel. Okay? So I'm gonna put 10 things I don't like about Jamaica. And that is just me. Everybody have their own opinions. Okay? Adios, guys. I love, love, love you all. And be safe and take care. And remember, don't forget to hit that like button. It will be greatly, greatly appreciated. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.